नहमदहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Worthy principal, respected teachers, honorable judges, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sikandar Azam from class 12, and I am honored and excited to share my thought on the topic which is important for our personal growth and for the progress of our community and nation: effective leadership. In order to lead, you must earn the right to lead. Leadership is more than just having a position or a title. It's about action, influence, and guiding others towards achieving a common goal. Effective leaders encourage, support, and motivate people to reach their full potential. In today's fast changing world, effective leadership is very important. It's not about being in charge of big roles like a president or CEO. It's about leading our everyday life by making good choices and setting a good example for others. Dear audience, to understand what effective leadership is, let me share the story of Nelson Mandela, a very effective leader from South Africa, who fought against apartheid, a very cruel system which treated black unfairly. Even though he was in prison for 27 years, but he never lost his vision of free and fair South Africa. When he was released, he didn't seek revenge, whether he promoted peace and unity. Mandela's leadership was affected because he showed courage, kindness, and forgiveness. He taught us that effective leader is someone who stays firm in his belief even when the things are tough, and who can inspire hope and unity among people. Dear audience, in Islam, we have the best example of effective leadership in our beloved Prophet, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not just a religious leader, but a social reformer and a military leader. His leadership was based on kindness, forgiveness, and humility. He led by examples, showing courage in difficult times and humility in the time of success. He taught us that leadership is about serving others. And he said, leader of the nation is their servants, showing that leaders should put the need of the people first. He treated everyone, whether friend or enemy, with equal rights and with kindness. Dear audience, in modern age, we can look up to the persons like Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. Musk is known for his big dreams and his ability to push the boundaries of what is possible. Under his leadership, SpaceX becomes the first company to send humans to the space and bring them back safely. He always inspired his team to think creatively and to tackle some of the world's biggest problems like sustainable energy and space travel. He taught us that effective leaders are not afraid of big dreams, whether they work hard to achieve their goals, even when the challenges are great. Now, the question arises, what does effective leadership mean to us as a student? It means being a role model in our daily life by helping a friend in need, standing up against bullying, or working hard to achieve our goal. Yes, effective leadership is the greatest property of all the students. It is not about making big speeches or leading big moments. It's about having a positive attitude, being kind, and encouraging others. Dear audience, as the future leaders, we all have the potential to shape the world we want to live in. By developing our leadership skills now, we prepare ourselves to make a positive impact in the future. In conclusion, leadership is more than just having a position or a title. Yes, it's about action, influence, and guiding others towards achieving a common goal. Whether we look up to the historical figures like Nelson Mandela, the teaching of Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or the modern leaders like Elon Musk, their leadership was based on kindness, forgiveness, strength, courage, and humility. Remember, leadership begins with you, and you all have the potential to become an effective leader in your own ways. At last, I want to say that leadership is not about big actions, it's about responsibility. Thank you for listening, and I hope you will all try to become an effective leader in your own methods. Thank you. Wassalam.
Wow.